Hi, so today I'm going to be walking you through preparing files for embroidery on the Janome MemoryCraft 15,000. And we're going to first go over converting a bitmap or file that is in a JPEG or PNG or similar format, and then we'll go through something that's already in vector. So here I have uploaded the University of West Florida primary vertical logo, and we are going to simply turn this PNG into a traced bitmap. So we're going to go to Path, Trace Bitmap. That'll open up our trace bitmap options. We're going to use multicolor as our option, colors, and here we see we have 1, 2, 3 colors, including the background. So we're going to change this to 3, remove background, select our image. Select, there we go. Go back to our tracing. We can see a preview here and we'll apply it. And this produces a vector trace of that image, which we can move separately, and we can remove that original image. We'll move that back here. From there, we will go ahead and move into our extensions. Here we're going to go into our ink stitch options. From here, we're going to go into our extensions, ink stitch, and then explore our params. Through this, we'll be able to change what kinds of fill settings we're looking at and customize our process. So you can see that our params menu has come up. And to the right, it actually demonstrates a sample of what that will look like when it is filling. So that's on its autofill setting. You can also see contour fill, and on the right, it'll go ahead and show us what that would look like. And so you can go through and explore these settings, being careful to make sure that everything is properly filled in the way you would like to see. So you can see on this contour fill that there might be some issues over to the right edge of that writing. So we'll want to change it back to something along the lines of autofill for the purposes of this. And in the future, you can change how individual pieces of a design are filled separately from one another by clicking them and having them selected prior to opening your params. Today, we'll be editing everything together. We'll hit apply and quit. And from there, we are ready to save it as a .jef file. So we'll put it wherever you would like on your computer. I'm going to save it to my dedicated makerspace folder. And we'll save it as a Janome file, .jef. And so this is a specific extension that you can get for Inkscape that allows one to do this for free. So that is how you change a bitmap into something compatible with this process. Now, it's a bit easier when you have something that's already in vector format. So it might be able to go straight from the vector here. This is a separate file, although it looks the same, and this is a PDF. Open an Inkstitch. We'll go into those extensions and see how the params fill us out and make sure that everything is the way we would like it to be. And as you can see, we have those two colors being done separately. Everything appears to be well and good. It isn't trying to embroider our background, which it will sometimes attempt to do. So we're going to stay with autofill for this exercise. And Inkscape crashed, but from there you would have done the same thing that I did for the PNG and save it as a JEF.